At first, DIBt is an authority. It is Germany's government highest authority for construction work, but it is additional also a center of excellence and responsible for safety questions in the field of public law. They work also above of German country with all other European countries together, and also with the EOTA, which is the European Organization for Technical Approvals. Well, it is a long work to come to such an approval. Our fasteners we let approved are so-called non-regular construction products, which means they are not covered by a product standard, not a national or an international standard. That means they need to be tested, the performance under the different conditions. Should it be a product for just static loaded application or dynamic loaded application? Should it used in free area or just inside of buildings? And this gives the answers gives the testing. That is secondly an assessor necessary, which verifies the test results and make it applicable into the European rules for construction. We have two kinds of products approved or let approved. One is a blind rivet called magna-lok. The other one is the blind rivet magna-bulb. The magna-lok for static and dynamic loaded applications, the magna-bulb only for static loaded application, and the bobtail as the two-piece or the second fastener in a diameter from 12 up to M36 for static and dynamic loaded application. The main benefit is via this approval or by this approval to get the initial access, technical access to applications in construction market. What benefits we do have to have such approvals? At first, we have the approval. That is, customers can use our fasteners without any additional adaptations or testing or something like this. All questions they might have are answered in the approval text. That is number one. And number two is the testing reports stand separate from the approval, and these testing reports can be used also in some other markets. So the work we did was not only for the construction market, it was for any market and for any kind of our customers. In case railcar manufacturer can use our approval for the design of their railcar bodies. They can use it as a complete document, like a DIBt approval, but if they have different standards or if they have to follow different standards, they can also use our testing report for their design work. Next steps is at first to get a European technical assessments, called ETA in short form. What we also work actually for the bobtail approval is to extend this approval to newer coatings, different coatings, and, which is important, to different manufacturing methods, because we have customers which need high volume, and we have also customers which need just a low volume of fasteners. So we are very able with our manufacturing processes and can satisfy everybody and what he wants.